DeNovix offers a wide range of spectrophotometers and fluorometers to fit the needs of every lab. The Helium Spectrophotometer sets the standard for affordable 1 microliter quantification. It's born from a trusted line of products and is designed for budget-conscious labs. Ideal for research and teaching, Helium is an intuitive, easy-to-learn device for reliable nucleic acid and protein quantification. Pre-installed Easy App software puts everything you need at your fingertips. From nucleic acids to proteins, use pre-configured settings or customized parameters for increased flexibility. The device makes absorbance measurements at 260, 280, and 230 nanometers. The user-friendly interface reports the concentration, absorbance, and purity ratios. Helium uses the same trusted DeNovix SmartPath technology as our flagship DS11 series, ensuring that measurements are always accurate. Easily export data via USB or label printer in a simple tap. The maintenance-free design ensures lifetime consistency with no recalibration required. With the Helium Spectrophotometer, affordable, reliable quantification is accessible for all labs. DeNovix is trusted by thousands of scientists worldwide, recognized for innovative products and excellent customer support. Contact DeNovix or your local distributor for a free trial or demo.